Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? My anticipation was well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. Today I am gonna take mathematics class for class 3, and our today's lecture is 2 and our HW number 2, and our today's topic is addition of fraction. Very last class we have already learned about fraction. Now today we learn addition of fraction, and which is including your annual term syllabus. Now my dear students, go to start our class. First of all, open your book at page 90. Here is elementary mathematics book at page 90. Here is the sum. Here are some addition of fraction. Here first one is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Then in second line you have to write the denominator. Here is denominator 2 and here is also denominator 2. So since the denominator is equal, so in the second line you will write the denominator as 2. Then you have to write here the numerator. First one numerator is 1 and the second one numerator 1, and put the sign here plus. Then 1 plus 1, it will be 2 as numerator and the denominator is 2. Since here is numerator and denominator is equal, then you will write here is 1. So the answer is 1. Now the next one, number 3. Here is 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Similarly, here is the denominator 4 and the denominator is equal. So in second line we will write the denominator 4, and then first of all we have to write the numerator of first one. Here is 2 is the first numerator and the second numerator 1, and here is the remaining sign is plus. So here it will be 2 plus 1, it will be 3 as numerator and 4 is denominator. So the answer is 3 by 4. Then go to the next one. Here is 8 is the same denominator, so write here 8 as denominator. Then the first numerator is 3, put the sign here plus, and the second numerator is 4. After adding 3 plus 4, it will be 7 as numerator and 8 as denominator. So the answer is 7 by 8. Then the next one, here is 5 is the same denominator, so in second line you have to write 5 as denominator and put the first numerator 2 here, put the sign plus here, and put the second numerator here is 3. So 2 plus 3, it will be 5, and here is denominator 5. Look at here, here is numerator and denominator both are same, so we will write here 1, and the answer is 1. Now the next one, here is denominator 8 and here is also denominator 8. So in second line you have to write 8 as denominator, then put the first numerator 7, put the sign plus, and the second numerator 1. So here is also 7 plus 1, it will be 8, and here is denominator 8, then 8 by 8, it will be 1. So the answer is 1. My dear students, hope you understood the process of addition of the same denominator of a fraction. Now look, here is your HW number 2, and it is your vacation HW, and it is included in your book of elementary mathematics book in page 90, and question number 1 to 12. My dear students, practice it at your home more and more. Abide by your parents. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.